Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of regain. Obtain possession or use of something again after losing it. For example, she died without regaining consciousness. American pronunciation. Regain. Regain. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Regain. Say. Regain. Regain means obtain possession or use of something. Regain. Regain. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Wool production recovered but never regained its former economic importance. Now, repeat after me. Wool production recovered but never regained its former economic importance. The second practice. Woodson intends to return only if he regains full strength. Now, repeat after me. Woodson intends to return only if he regains full strength.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.